Hey guys, welcome to Twins Editing, and today we are going to show you how you can drop shadow in Adobe Illustrator. You know what shadow means? It's like this one. You see the shadow? So we are going to show you how you can put shadows in the layers in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Bring the madness. So let's get started. Let's make a layer here. I'm going to change the color into something light and stroke. I'll increase the stroke. So we have a rounded rectangle here, and to apply shadow on this layer you just need to go to effect panel, go to stylize and drop shadow. A new panel will appear with some different options. Make sure the preview is checked, then you can see the changes live. So you can see mode. There are different mode: normal, multiply, screen. Multiply is preferable because it will work as transparent or shade in the background if you have any background. Right now we don't have any background. Here you can see opacity. You can increase it like 100%. You can see it's increasing, and also you can decrease. You see it's very light shadow right now. So 75 is the default one, and the X offset, Y offset is for moving the shadow position. You can change however you want to do that. And the blur means the shadow will be blurry according to this value. So let's make this one 25. As you can see, it's blurred and it's stretched out in the section behind the rectangle. So this is it. You can change however you want to do it, however you need it. So pretty much this is how you can add a shadow on the layer in Adobe After Effects. So we have a logo here, and it has multiple layers, and we are going to use the layer that is behind to add shadow. Same, go to effect, stylize, drop shadow. As you can see, the shadow is here. I'm going to change the opacity to 25%, and yes, a very light shadow is available right now. So this is how you can change shadow, add shadow on the layers in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.